Step 1. Make sure that the receptacle socket is correctly mounted and clean. Step 2. Make sure that the termination plug is clean. Step 3. Mount the cable flange over the termination plug. Step 4. Insert the termination plug into the receptacle socket. Adjust the flange until the required gap is reached, 5.5 till 6 mm. Step 5. Pull out the plug and put a layer of silicone grease over the plug, 2 lines of 2 cm. Make sure that the contact head remains free from grease. Step 6. Insert the termination plug into the receptacle socket. Tighten down the cable flange screws.